Alright, this is the old cable on this 98 Ranger here that I've been doing. The cameraman's having difficulties today. After 25 years of usage, probably never been replaced, you can see how it's just fraying, and I was having sluggish throttle response, as if the vehicle is running really sluggish, and I knew it wasn't the case because I've given it a tune-up recently and all that good stuff. So anyway, I could probably, and I've seen like throttle cable fixes and so on, like people put zip ties on it and all that. I didn't want to play with that. I said, well, let me just put a new part in first, and maybe if the throttle cable modification where they put zip ties down at the bottom of the gas pedal might take up the slack on the cable itself, they say. But anyway, to make it more responsive, maybe it works, maybe it don't. I don't know. I just figured let's just replace the old part first and see if it actually works better. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Alrighty. Well, a little disjointed today in the filming. The cameraman has having some issues. Cameraman being me. But that's kind of what I did. So it's a 3-part video series. And if you struggle through it all and you watch other videos or read your manual, you'll figure it out. But I just wanted to kind of give you an overview of what was going on. And plus, like, look, this cable is just totally smashed. Alrighty, you all take care and just get to it. If I can do it, you guys can do it better.